Today I'm going to be reviewing the Xbox Series X. I'm going to be going over the good things, the bad things, and the things that I really want, and also going to be doing a comparison at the end with a couple other devices, so that should be really cool. The first good thing I like about it is quick resume. It is just absolutely so awesome. It makes it super easy to switch between games, and it makes it so you don't have to actually save your game every single time you want to quit out of it, because then you could just switch game and then switch back, and then you'll be back to where you were. There is a limit though, it can only do so many games. Also, it does make you restart the game if you played it on a different device. Next really good thing I like about it is the design. It makes it really easy for me to carry around, because I do carry it around quite a bit, because I do carry it to different places, because I only have one good Xbox, so I might as well carry it around. And also, another thing with the design is that you don't have to have a stand to set it on the side. It's so good. It's so good. You can just set it on the side. You can just take it wherever. You don't need a stand at all. And overall, it's just amazing. The bad things I'm about to say about it are just some nitpicks. This is how much I like it, and this is how much I don't really like it. So it's like 95% like to dislike ratio. Now for the bad things. First off, that you have to pay for multiplayer. Now I know this doesn't have anything to do with the Series X. I mean, it is software and whatever, but I would really like if you could just play locally, like on the same Wi-Fi network. And the next thing, does not do 1440p at 120 hertz. I think it does 4K at 120, but I'm not entirely sure because I don't have a 4K 120 TV, but I do have a
1440p
155 hertz monitor. It does 1080 at 120, but not 1440p at 120. Like, why doesn't it do that? That's so dumb. I don't know if it's like the cable, the display, or what. Another thing it doesn't do at 1440p is record. Why can't I record videos at 1440p? I don't have a 4K monitor and I want to record something higher than 1080, but it doesn't. Stunning. Also, it doesn't have USB-C, which, I mean, isn't really a big complaint from me, but PlayStation has it. I wish they added it, because then that would give them a chance to have like a Xbox VR or something. Another thing I do not like about this Xbox is the design. Yeah, I know I said it was great, but there's some things I have to say that are just not good about it, which is the fact that it's too tall. So if you have a setup where you can't have it sideways, you have to have it standing up, but it's like in front of the TV, and you might want to, you know, measure to see if you can actually see the TV. Also, another problem could be heat. It gets quite warm, but the main problem is if you want to rotate it sideways and you have the green part facing something, then you might want to move that thing out of the way so it doesn't get hot. Also, it's really heavy, which is a problem when trying to transport it in my backpack, because it's just so heavy. So if you have like a TV stand or whatever that's like made of two like planks of wood and then like a piece of paper on top, it's probably not going to hold that. So the dumbest thing about this Xbox is that I cannot remember any Wi-Fi networks whatsoever. If you change places, you're just gonna have to type in the password. Now for the things that I wish were on Xbox. I wish there was 3 HDMI ports. That's right, 3. 2 out and 1 in. The 2 out would be for like 2 monitors or 2 TVs. Because like if you have a 2 TV setup and you want to play multiplayer on a game that doesn't support split screen, you don't have to have 2 Xboxes if the Xbox itself can do that and have 2 HDMI ports. It needs to be a little bit more powerful for that probably, but how hard would it be? Also, I wish there was the HDMI in, because the Xbox One had it and it was great, because if you didn't have enough HDMI ports on your TV, then it added an extra one. So you can plug in like a Switch, a PlayStation. Also, I wish they made a better controller. Now, I really like the controller design. Like, it's so comfortable. Oh my God, it's amazing. It's my favorite controller. I really wish they had like the resistive triggers and stuff like on PlayStation, and maybe a little bit better haptics. I love the new share button. It's amazing. I didn't expect me to use it that much. Also, I like the little grip stuff on the back. I don't know if you can actually see it. No, it's not really focused on that. The one thing I do kind of wish that it could do is different colors, like on the PlayStation, how it has different colors according to what player it is. That'd be really nice. Another thing I would really like from the Xbox is more customizable home screen. I know it doesn't really have anything to do with the Xbox Series X, but like more customizable home screen would be amazing. That's pretty much it for all the things that I really want from this Xbox. Now, Microsoft, if you're watching this, make sure you add all my features. Now it's time for the comparison.
I need someone to show me my place in all this.
The battle station is heavily shielded, and carries a firepower greater than half the Starfleet. An analysis of the plans provided by Princess Leia has demonstrated a weakness.
Huh?
A small one-man fighter should be able to penetrate the outer defense. Man your ships, and may the Force be with you.
Lock S-foils in attack position.
This is Red 5. I'm going in.
Right with you, boss.
It'll be just like Beggar's Canyon back home. Fighters coming in, point 3.
Luke, trust your feeling.
This is Red Leader. We won't be going in.
Right. I took out those turbo lasers.
Good work, but the job isn't over yet. Stay focused.
Taking our descent into the trench. Try and keep any TIE fighters off our backs, Red 5. Red 5 here! I've got you covered!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and check out my Series X unboxing that is right here. That is just great unboxing. And if you've already seen the Series X unboxing, then maybe check out this video. It is a video that YouTube has recommended.